talk 3 times more than men. Researchers in the USA have found that a protein in the brain might explain why women are more talkative than men. 3 times more chatty, in fact. The research team at the University of Maryland said a language protein that goes by the name of FOXP2 is a lot more prevalent in women's brains. The protein was first discovered a decade ago and was deemed to be a key neurological component of speech. The scientists say it is a lot more abundant in girls and boys. They believe the protein is the reason why girls start speaking early and more quickly than boys. It also supports claims that women speak about 12,000 words a day, compared to just 7,000 words for the average man. Research team leader Professor Margaret McKelvey said, "This study is one of the first to report a sex difference in expression for a language associated pertaining humans or animals." She added, "The finding rests the possibility that the sex differences in brain and behavior are more widespread and established earlier than previously thought." Other scientists have said there is more than one protein responsible for speech and that the research is in its infancy. Readers and Britain Daily Mail newspaper offers some interesting insights into the shyness of women. One said women have to talk more because men are more good listeners and women must repeat themselves to the heart.